and the individual has been taken into custody. East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner Rosetta M. Kurba today inaugurated the second Bam Niang Phlang festival organized by the Senjuk Ki Hima Arliang Wa Umyam Welfare Society at Umsawmat village, Hima Linyong. The walnut caterpillar moth consumed by people is locally called Niang Phlang. The insects are generally handpicked and subject to different kinds of pre-treatment before they are consumed. The objective of holding the event was to create awareness on the protection of the environment, besides highlighting the need to protect the greenery space for these caterpillars to breed. The major attraction of the festival was the traditional food fest and hosting of the traditional sports like Maupoin.
Bangi ong yakin nong syam senong semau bahawat setting bam seniang syu itai dei i plia ding iberit pengi panjang ban ai sigi pat ba ban lai maya slok bat ki kada do mengilayo adu si faut ligi hima bat pratul prapon rev ligi senong maya snok tilang